Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to talk about what's happening in Puntland and state and Galmudug state and what's going on between them. What they're fighting about is actually pretty dumb. If we look at the facts, Galmudug and Puntland, not only are they one state, but they are one people. They intermarry. They have children together. What is the point of fighting? There is not only no point in fighting each other, but they're fighting each other for the stupidest reason. They are fighting each other because of qabil. They're fighting each other because of tribes. Okay. They are fighting because one clan is a different clan and they can't build somewhere because one clan said no. Now there are hundreds and thousands of people who are displaced, including my great-grandmother, who not only is she blind, but she's 100 years old. Okay. This is not acceptable in any way, shape, or form. Hadda idinka Soomaali tihiin, ma sidii hore ma geer hoostiisa alaabtiina ka heshiin oo iska xashirtiin. Soomaali baan nahay hal ma noqono. Gaalna waa qabiil way qabaan, cadaankana waa qabiil way qabaan, carabtana qabiil bay qabaan, laakiin ma isku dilaan. Laakiin anaka qabiil baa isku diloonaa, sababtu maxaa waaye? Haddaan anaka nahay dad bini aadan ah, maxaa isku dagaaloonaa? If you look at many different reports, not only are Somalis the closest related in any other African group and African country, but they are the most alike in many different continents. If you look at what happened in the grab of Africa, many non-existent people were smushed together, but if you look at Somalia when the grab of Africa happened, they were kept together and they were kept the same because they knew that the Somali people would fight if the borders weren't correct. So Somali is not only, the Somali people are not only the most alike in any way, shape, or form. Most of us have the same religion. Most of us have the same beliefs. Most of us have the same religion. What's the point of fighting? Exactly, there is no way to fight. Wiil dagaal muku dhashay. Wiil dagaal buu ku dhintaa. Thank you for watching this video.